What is the purpose of the transmission fluid in an automatic transmission? To regulate tire pressure, to lubricate and cool down the transmission, to filter out contaminants from the fuel, or to control the air-fuel mixture. To lubricate and cool down the transmission is the correct answer. What should you do if you notice a squealing noise when starting the engine? Ignore it as it's normal, add more engine oil, have the belts checked and adjusted, or turn off the engine immediately. The correct answer is, have the belts checked and adjusted. What is the purpose of the EGR valve in a car's engine? To reduce emissions by recirculating exhaust gases, to regulate tire pressure, to control the air-fuel mixture, or to adjust the engine timing. To reduce emissions by recirculating exhaust gases is the correct answer. What should you do if you notice a strong smell of gasoline inside the car? Open the windows for ventilation, increase driving speed, add more windshield washer fluid, or turn off the engine and check for leaks. Turn off the engine and check for leaks is the correct answer. What could be the cause of a car's headlights flickering while driving? Overinflated tires, faulty alternator, clean air filter, or properly functioning catalytic converter. The correct answer is faulty alternator. What does the term MPG stand for in car specifications? Mechanical power gauge, motor performance grade, miles per gallon, or maximum pressure generated. The correct answer is miles per gallon. What does the term OEM stand for in car parts? Original equipment manufacturer, optimal engine maintenance, onboard emissions monitoring, or operational efficiency metric. Original equipment manufacturer is the correct answer. How often should you inspect the condition of your car's brake lines? Every 5,000 miles, every 10,000 miles, every 20,000 miles, or every year? The correct answer is every year.